Hi, I'm Jack from the Netherlands. My passion is innovation, technology, human behavior, and sailing. I believe that with intelligence, technology, and collaboration, we can tackle challenges more thoroughly and move forward together. Let me introduce you to IdeaStorm.
Most brainstorming sessions don't really break new ground. Teams stay inside the box, repeating what they've seen before or what's already in their heads. And afterwards, much of that value disappears into sticky notes that never make it further. And after weeks of brainstorming, research, and proposals, ideas often die, blocked by IT capacity, cost, or complexity. That's why we built IdeaStorm, a fast, structured way to go from brainstorm to working proof of concepts. It goes beyond the brainstorm room, tapping into global expertise, and puts product managers firmly in control, ensuring business needs lead, not IT roadblocks. Imagine turning one challenge into over 30 ideas, all backed by research, clustered by AI, and tested for market and technical fit. In just 4 hours, you walk away not with slides or promises, but with a clear plan and a real proof of concept, ready to accelerate innovation. With human in the loop, more than 20 AI agents collaborate, some orchestrate, some imagine, others analyze, and a few build, co-creating with you to turn ideas into reality, while you stay in control. It's demo time. The use case, a Dutch mortgage lender with a clear challenge, to digitize the mortgage process end-to-end, making it more personal and faster. Let's create a new session. First, we give it a name, define who we are, and set the innovation challenge, to set the context of this session. On the Manage Session page, we also add the company name and the industry. In the top bar, the Copilot guides us, suggesting we add market intelligence to enrich this case. Tailored prompts for this use case are ready to go, for the LLM of your choice, covering market research, competitor insights, and consumer behavior. The analysis results from the LLMs can be added here, or combined with your own research. They are extensive McKinsey-style reports enriched with the latest online insights and backed by a full list of sourcing. This research flows into every next step of the process. The Copilot now suggests activating your AI agents to research, analyze, and build. You can select from predefined ones, like Product Manager, Trend Watcher, or Consumer Agent, and also add your own session-specific agents, and tailor them to your business and innovation journey. I just added 5 agents like a mortgage underwriter and funding specialist, bringing the total to 12 we can now select from. Now all is set up, let's start generating ideas. With 12 agents involved, each selects one idea. For this round, we skip market research to keep the thinking open. We just got 12 ideas in 10 seconds, each with a short description, the rationale, and the target user. Let's save them and have a quick look. We have the basics, the rest, like pains and gains, problem statements and scores, will be added later. Meanwhile, the humans in the room can already start commenting on these ideas or building on them. Let's run 3 more rounds of idea generation, with market research on, and a setting that feeds in existing ideas so new ones won't overlap. Now we have 48 ideas. Users can also add as many ideas themselves. Combined with the agents, this gives us a rich pool of options to work with. Let's start clustering the ideas to get an overview. The AI agent organizes them into 3 themes: innovation focus, functional stage, and pain or gain themes. Every idea is grouped across all 3. Ideas in the same cluster can be manually selected for comparison, while an AI agent runs a similarity check, here showing high similarity. Another agent can merge them, or run an automatic scan across all ideas, removing duplicates and overlaps. The clusters can be viewed in different overviews, like a cluster distribution, or a heat map showing where themes intersect in hotspots that can be explored and analyzed. This helps spot patterns and focus on where the biggest impact lies. Now let's run a pains and gains analysis for every idea, based on the value proposition canvas. The agents perform this automatically, adding priorities for each pain and gain, along with a problem statement. Humans can review, add, and modify. Now it's time for an impact, effort analysis to start prioritizing all ideas. To make this meaningful, we need more company context. On the Manage Session page, I've just added details on our focus market, resources like tech teams and budget, regulatory constraints, as well as our strategic goals and success metrics. Let's run the scoring analysis. We select which inputs to include. First, our scoring agents score all 48 ideas and plot them in the priority matrix, for example as quick wins or big bets. Below on the right is the detailed ranking, with the highest scored ideas on top, and humans can add their own impact and effort scores, or vote on every idea. In the overview, we can choose human votes, AI votes, or a blended view. The highest scored ideas then move into the POC readiness analysis. This is the most complex and agent-intensive step. Each idea goes through extensive market research, followed by a solution design agent that refines it into a POC, MVP, roadmap, and features. 5 specialized agents then perform detailed analyses, and finally a consolidation agent brings it all together into 8 scored KPIs, a POC readiness assessment and final score. The whole process takes about 5 minutes per idea. Let's take a quick look at the detailed results. The solution design, including scope, core features, and market differentiation. The market research, with competitive landscape and market risks. A full risk assessment with identified risks and mitigating measures. A technical feasibility study with a recommended tech stack, architecture, and required skills. And finally, the implementation plan, broken down into MVP, pilot, and scaling phases with key deliverables, plus extensive market validation, timelines, and the expected budget. Now let's generate the full package for POC implementation. Just provide the company website to extract the style guide, upload your logo, and an agent will create a complete project requirements document along with an extensive technical plan detailing the full stack front and back-end services, data structures, and database setup. With one press of the button, all gets combined for copy-paste into a no-code platform for POC building. The platform automatically generates an implementation plan, recommending the first features to build for user approval. It then creates a UI draft, generates all components and database connections, applies the style guide, and fills the database with sample data, all coming together into a fully working POC app that can be deployed for testing, validation, and iteration. In just one session, we've gone from challenge to ideas, clustering, scoring, and a POC package, delivered in hours instead of months. From demo to real impact. This is more than a demo, it's a new way of innovating. Faster, smarter, and scalable. With humans and AI co-creating, every POC validation makes the platform stronger, turning challenges into validated solutions ready for the real world. Join us in shaping the future of innovation. We're looking for validation, pilot partners, and feedback from POC users to improve the agents and the platform. Our goal is simple: empower product managers and business leaders to take control of innovation. Join us. Every POC validation makes the platform smarter and puts innovation in your hands.